Cashbook entry means transactions that involve receiving a payment or making a payment, regardless of payment method. If you click on GL, Cashbook entry, the listing of cashbook entries will be displayed. This is the same as click on shortcut labels of under banking and GL, the shortcut labels of cash payment, cash receipt, and cash transaction. To create a new cashbook entry, click on create a new cash transaction. This is the same as click on the shortcut icon of cash transaction. New receipt voucher is meant for payment received. In other words, to generate official receipt. Click on this is the same as click on shortcut icon of cash receipt. New payment voucher is used to record and generate payment voucher. Click on this is the same as click on shortcut icon of cash payment. If the payment is related to debtor or creditor, AR or AP entries will be used, in which you may click on these links of debtor related or creditor related. Let's take a look at new receipt voucher. Receipt form, we define the person who is making payment. Voucher number, the new in bracket means to follow auto-running document numbering format. This is depending on payment method. And the next possible number is displayed at the top bar of the windows. Date is system or computer date. You may click to change. Payment method, select a payment method of a cash or bank account that to be debited. A same voucher may involve more than one payment method. Check number, you may key in the check number if there's any. Payment amount is the amount of payment made with this payment method. You may put in the amount of bank charges, if any, and mode of payment. Is return check is used to record a check which is bounced or invalid, and the return check date will be automatically detected. Let's say payment amount is 2,000. Click on plus sign to add or insert a new row to record the transaction. You may select the related GL account by keying in the first few number or letter of the account. For example, I put in rental, receive. Account description is automatically displayed. Description is the description of this entry. Let's say renter for December. You may define the sales agent or key in further description for this transaction. The amount is automatically filled. Now, since this is a payment received, any positive amount here will be credited. That means 2,000 will be credited to the rental received account. And any negative amount will be debited. Post detailed description to GL. This is to adopt the description of the detail entry when post to GL account. This is the detail of GL entry. If unchecked, it will adopt the content of receipt form as description. You may go to View Posting Details to view the details of posting, the double entries that going to take place. After save, proceed with new receipt voucher. When this is checked, a flash screen will be ready for new entries upon save. If unchecked, it will exit the transaction screen. Then let's click on Save and Preview. You may select the report format by press the number button on your keyboard, or just highlight the report format and click on OK. This is how official receipt look like. To create a new payment voucher, click on New Payment Voucher. A2, key in the name of the person who is receiving the payment. Make sure the voucher number and date are correct. For payment method, select a payment method of a cash or bank account that will be credited. You may involve more than one payment method. Define the check number and payment amount. Click on Add button to insert a new row and select the related account number. Here I have 3 rows for this set of transaction, and I will use the same description. One fast way to fill in the same details for several rows is to use the button of Select All Details, and then click on the button of Range Set or F12 on your keyboard. To put in the description, check the checkbox of description and tap the description here, and then click on apply. The description will be updated. As for amount, since this is a payment, any positive amount here will be debited. So the salary account will be debited and negative amount will be credited. So the EPF accrual and social accrual account will be credited. Now in this case, I have completed one whole set of entries for salary payment. To see the double entries in details, go to View, View Posting Details. Here you can see the complete double entry details and the summary. If you click on Save and Preview, you may choose the report format. For this payment voucher, I choose payment voucher hub page. Click on OK. So this will be the payment voucher to be printed. Back to the listing screen of the cash book entry. Click on Print Cash Transaction Listing. Here you can choose the report type, define the filter options, and click on Inquiry. The result is displayed. Click on Preview and select the report format, cash book listing. Click on OK. This will be the cash book listing. That's all for cash book entry. Thank you.